call it shotgun mode. One of the most aggressive modes there is. Hard to get up, but you're trained by the best. See what the UAMCC has taught us. It's a service you're not going to get with most pressure washer companies. There's the educational side of the industry. Use a squeaky